Imagine typing the square root of -1 into a calculator. Error, no solution. Mathematicians once thought this number was impossible, until they decided to imagine it anyway. They called it I, the square root of -1, an imaginary number. Here's why it seems impossible. Square any positive number, you get positive. Square any negative number, you still get positive. So how could a number squared give -1? It shouldn't exist. But instead of giving up, mathematicians asked, what if it did? We already know that I equals the square root of -1. Once we multiply that by I, we get the square root of -1 times the square root of -1, which is just -1. Multiply by I again, and we get -I. Multiply by I again, and we're at 1. That's a full cycle of 4 steps. But it doesn't stop there. If we keep going, the pattern repeats. 1, I, -1, -I, then back to 1, and so on forever. But where do these results go? Real numbers sit on a line, but I doesn't fit there. So mathematicians drew a brand new axis, perpendicular to the real line. Together, they form the complex plane. And on this plane, that cycle is a movement. Each multiplication by I is 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation around the origin. And what began as impossible became essential. Imaginary numbers explain electricity, describe quantum mechanics, and even process the sound waves in your headphones. They're the hidden language of modern technology, so imaginary numbers aren't fake at all. They're proof that sometimes, when math seems impossible, imagination unlocks a new reality.